I have made it to Roswell, New Mexico, and I am ready to see some freaking aliens, man. Man, I don't know what I'm more excited about, the alien zone or Stardust Antiques and Artifacts. Sign me up. Whoa. Oh, I was gonna say, I'm definitely fried from the road, because at first I thought that said 20, even though it's a reproduction. I'm definitely losing my marbles here a little bit. It says 80, clearly not 20, and it's new. What is this Santa lighter? Is that what I think it is? It almost looks like it might even be Holt Howard themed. Santa lighter, $6. All right, I need a key for this. That does say $6, right? Now I'm like double guessing myself. I had a really quiet drive over here. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that Viking glass is. Oh my gosh, look at the Ruthie Newton. I had so many crazy ideas because I didn't have cell phone service for most of it, so I couldn't play my Spotify. I guess I could have played my saved songs in hindsight, but I was just kind of zoned. Wow, that's cool. I really like that color. I had so many crazy ideas about where to do my live shows, so I'm curious to see how that's gonna play out. Look at this embroidered box. That's really neat. So it was definitely a new lighter with a sticker on it, so I had to pass, obviously. Cowhide bags, my favorite. Look at those cute little chairs, dollhouse chairs. They almost look like they could be pin cushions. Some really interesting little stuff in this case. Look at those erasers, the Kokeshi double erasers. Wait a minute, look at that. I've never seen anything like that. Unfortunately, at $15 each, I don't think there's much room in that. Whoa, look at that black cat. That one's only $35 for a collector. That's a steal. All right. I like where we're going here. So I did look up those erasers. I was surprised to see how many online there were. And they were anywhere from $8 to $12, 13 with the packaging, so that's a pass. I'm sure this is gonna be insanely expensive. 98, that's actually not that crazy. Ooh, look at the little ballerina, how cute. Oh, she's armless. Just kidding. Ooh, that's cute too. $6.50. Oh my gosh, a button bucket, how cute. 28. That's probably about what I'd get for that after fees. That's fantastic. It looks like Napco wear. Pretty sure it is. Look at this one. How fantastic. $10. Well, let me make sure it's not broken before I get too excited. For $10, I'm definitely gonna pick this one up. That's a fabulous one. Oh, there's all kinds of cute stuff in here. Look at this chick planter. $10. That is adorable. I'm gonna get that too. I think that's McCoy, if I'm not mistaken. Let me put these up front and come back to look at the rest. All right, now back at it. $10. Also believe that to be McCoy. I'll take that. And what about this ridiculous looking pig? That's a cotton ball holder. I'm not sure how well that would sell. It's kind of fantastic. I'm a little underwhelmed by that one. And the swan at $10 just got a little too much paint loss for me. And the little cat basket, $10, but I've gotten a few of those recently. This one's very cute. I'm kind of intrigued by that, even though I don't think I would make that much off of it. I'm gonna keep looking around, and this one's on the more common side. What about this cow? That's kind of interesting. $10. I'm gonna come back to this booth, I think. All right, now, back at it. Oh, I really liked the top of that perfume bottle, but It's full of liquid. No way I'm doing that. The clown music box is really fun. And over here, I see a couple things, but I'm gonna start at the top here. Does that say $2? Why is this $2? Knickerbocker, $2, right? Sold. And the duck is probably the best. 15. It's in really good shape. I think I could eke out a couple dollars off that, but maybe not enough to justify spending that much. This egg cup's really pretty. All right, what about this crazy looking squirrel? 10. That's not bad at all. I could still make a couple of bucks off that. The chicken though, what, $4? It's a rooster planter with the bluebird in the well. Why is it only $4? Is it maybe broken at the handles there? I feel like it's probably supposed to have like a little wicker thing. But still, for that price, I think I'm gonna pick it up anyway. Moose creamer. I think that says 20 something. No, it says $2. And it's check. It's got chips on it though. I'm gonna leave that with the chips. But this I really like, and you wouldn't even know that it was missing its handles. I guess if you looked at it long enough, you might. But for $4, I'll take it. So I thought about going back and grabbing more from that booth. Oh my gosh. What I was gonna say, $75, dang. What I was gonna say is that I'm pretty proud of my choices so far. I don't wanna get too carried away. I know I could still make a couple bucks off that stuff, but alas, oh my gosh, my heart just skipped a beat. That scared me so bad. But I don't want to just grab everything I can make money off of. I am still being a little selective. Love the little bird milk mug. That's at 23. That's a little high. In general, what's going on with Santa here? Santa cookie jar, $29. He's pretty fantastic. I could probably make a couple bucks off that, but I'm not paying $30 for a hobbyist piece. That's a total gamble. Well, you know how weird I am about cases, but I do believe this says $7 for this little rhinestone snowman brooch. I think I'm gonna get a key for that. That's really cute. And snowmen usually do pretty well. There's also flamingo in here, even though it's new. I'm kind of curious about a couple things in here. Oh my gosh. How much is that bracelet? I need to know how much that pink bracelet is. All right, keys, please. So I got the snowman brooch. The flamingo one was expensive. Look at that clown decanter head. And this one too, that's fantastic. Oh, and of course the German ones. Well, I was about to freak out over the cats when I saw this. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm freaking out over this. And yes, I am about to pay $26 for it without even thinking twice. That is insanely fabulous. Okay, now we can go over to the cats. I've never seen that deer planter. $32.50 for that pair on the right, and $32.50 for this pair on the left. Yeah, that's too close. Look at this little thing. $3.95. That's a cute little carved wood vintage dog. I'll take that. Man, I cannot get over this deer vase. That is spectacular. It is an older one. Oh, so cute. Let's see. What about the little babies? Those are cute too. $7.50. I could make a couple bucks off those. But, oh, they are Napco. Interesting. Not so sure about them though. They're not my favorite. I'm kind of freaking out over this deer. I actually don't even want to pick it up again because I'm nervous I'm gonna break it. It looks like it's in pristine condition too. I am starting to feel a little famished. I'm also kind of annoyed because I can't figure out what's going on with my microphone. So I just unplugged it. So I need to remember to speak loudly. That stick pin is epic at $5. All right. Yeah, the microphone thing, I don't know what's going on with it. It keeps messing up. It's like never done that until, of course, I'm out on the road like this. These little bisque dolls are all amazing, but they're definitely spendy. Look at the little carriage, and oh my gosh, that nurse, rare German PP baby. Oh, I thought it was a nurse. It's just a baby. I can let that go at $40-something for sure. Now, what about down here? Those are probably expensive, considering they've got their box, and their individual ones are anywhere from $17 to $20-something. But over here, okay, so it's good to know it is my mic cord. Oh my gosh, look at these dolls. And it's not my phone. That's very relieving. This one's at $17.50. Could still make some money off that, the baby head vase. Not sure if I want to spend that much on it though. What is this? Oh my gosh. Yes, please. It's a little rock baby. That is ridiculously amazing. I love it. Ooh, wait. I'm not forgetting about it. Don't worry. I'm just looking at the bookend. 18. Wow, that's pretty. Again, more than I'd like to spend, but I'm definitely gonna get this little rock baby because it's amazing. More little kokeshi things. Huh. It's kind of a neat box. What about, oh, that's fabulous. Wooden kokeshi family. Kind of freaks me out that it's not marked Japan. I can't tell if I'm really famished or if my camera isn't focused. I might need to cut this little short and eat. That's cute. Whoa, I'm not a Barbie person, but this thing is awesome. I mean, China still. I really like the look of that. And then, I love the tea set, but look at this doll. That's fantastic. And what I believe to be, actually, I'm wrong. That's not what I thought it was. I thought it was a Whitman's almost at first. That's really cute. I definitely don't have luck with baseball themed stuff though. I'm still thinking about that, grabbing the baby head vase. This is cute, but it looks like it might be like the top of a box or something. Oh, look at this pose doll. How fantastic. It's a little rough for me, especially at $20. What's this? Interesting. And the ice cream's at 20. This is really quite fabulous. That's at 25. Probably weighs a ton, yeah. What? Vintage rabbit, 43. Okay, no. Alien socks. Oh, these are so fun. How much are these? $9. I wonder if my boyfriend would even wear these. He's definitely not a small. I would wear these. So I think I'm coming to the end here, and I really need to eat something before I continue. Oh my gosh, Rachel would die over these, but actually I remember now, I sent her a small one of these from the road in Arizona. All right, so I really want to go to the Resale Emporium, collect treasures. There's a lot to see on this strip. It looks like a storm's coming though. I need to eat before I do anything. I spent $90 in there, and I'm gonna go find some food and get back to it. So in an interesting turn of events, it's raining here, but I'm trying to get to the UFO-shaped McDonald's. I normally don't do McDonald's, but I kind of feel like the UFO McDonald's is a rite of passage. Oh my gosh, it really is. It really, really is. This is so freaking cool, man. Now this is what I'm talking about. You guys, I am just leaving Wyland's Yucca Emporium in Roswell, New Mexico. And it was by far one of the coolest shops I've ever been to. I mean, look at all this stuff. You should have seen inside. It was insane. I'm sorry I didn't film in there, but it was a really special experience. And now I'm gonna go to my hotel and unpack all my goodies and get ready for my next Whatnot sale. Sorry, I have the hiccups. I'll see you guys tomorrow.